Yeah. It's too hectic for your neck to detect it. Your head won't accept the message projected. Whatever you're letting is an evident pleasures to never's intentions. Forever protected. If you get respect and step in the never as we're definite specialists. Get your trenches dug and spend some love with your family. Cause they ain't got the stamina to be challenging these random calamities. Damn your deities, hand in raps so sweet. Peeps that blast the beat right past my street. Don't have to beef, the rhapsody's complete. MCs won't battle me or crash and be naturally. I'm passionate to free and even smash the beat quite evilly and drastically. You see the fantastic team proceed and keep the mastery to each their fantasies. The cave so deep, the heat releases profanity. Fucking delete your sanity. The name boys and you need to camp with me. Left with an amputee, rambling tantrums will stop to a trampoline. And that's the example of the rap you see.
I'ma converse a converse with the thirst first. You heard worse, earth's light of mine first of the rhyming nurse. Blind and curse, my man Merce, blank sign thing, my murk words. So turn search, I'm old and wrong worth. My dawn with Turks, my scene is gleam. When my team calls screen is clean, my balls beam. A ball peen into your skull screen on the bomb scene. Through the song scheme, orcs and calm steez. You bong Steve, I'm gone, leaves and fall freeze. Down my town sound, my mom eats the drown freaks. Seats cheap, sleeps round heat, you sound meek. My beats leaks and ground deep, pound Pete's. Peterborough bleak and bound to astound screech. And I'm down and you found skeets, I'm loud geek. Still a proud gleek, I doubt you hound bound. My crown sheets, I'm loud and how keeps.
If you frowned at the sound of us, you wound up bound up like a pound of cannabis. Around cellmen and outland managers, ravenous savages. Catch a glimpse of how we handle this. Abandon your towns with travelers, packing cats and sticks. We're abusive in advance, right quick, lose your chance to spit. You stupid raps and newbie crew daps ain't shit, can match my click. Who could adapt to the unfathomable rap? So sick, you're sad by your lack to rap so animate, so your bastards quit. Good riddance, you shouldn't have been looking for this. It's the foot in your spitting, you put in, but couldn't have dissed this. You would've slit wrists if we took it to rhythm. Lyricism is a sickness, now look at your bitchin' with rigidness. It's a ritual to spit with wit and viciousness. The individual instincts we're gifted with persist and flips all intricate. We're as intricate can get. We win any competitive bet and admit we don't shit the bed.
I got a hype flow psycho to research. Don't know where the mic go, hide show the creatures. I'm eager bunny bags, who the cortex, money swags and jagged jabs. Take the honey dip around the hips and have it made from a blaze of ways. Paid a late rate, amazed days, the J's lays. A craze of fading sickly showmos in the duffel bags. The way I flow is locos, lost lobos. I'm barged on a bomb, who's the host, who you ho? I go through, make your shit the whip my bowl do. Can't quit your skitch, Abercrombie Fitch, go fetch a stick. You're rich or wretch, slippery villagery of communal poverty, awfully catching your kids walking in distillery. Profit and seed, market the G, parsnips and parsley, bar skips and Barclays, so dark in yards with the sparse is harshly parched and car seats.